Nobody still couldn't predict how the coronavirus will become end. There's only one solution to end it. It is a vaccine. Most countries and laboratories on this planet are now experimenting with vaccines. All of them want to find an effective solution to end this pandemic. 23 vaccines are currently in the final stages. So, do you think people who are behind these 23 vaccines are these heroes? Yes, they are heroes in this struggle. But I dedicate this video not for them. 30,000 young and healthy people likes to put their lives on the line to the fight against corona on behalf of 7 billion people in the world. So this video will dedicate to them. The biggest problem of this pandemic is the speed of spreading. On January 21st, China had reported 282 new cases, but today we are finding more than 200,000 new cases daily worldwide. Scientists are getting enormous pressure to find the vaccine from their authorities. Usually, final stage of developing vaccines takes lot of time. Scientists will inject these vaccines to the selected people and send them to the general public. After that, they will observe this sample of people whether they infect or not. This process takes months to complete. Without this process, scientists couldn't certify the effectiveness of the vaccines. The only way to speed this process is to give the COVID-19 virus to the group of people who inject the vaccines as an experiment in the final stage. Hundreds of mainstream scientists, including 15 Nobel Prize winners, submitted the open letter to invite people who are willing to participate in this experiment. 30,000 young and healthy people from 114 countries said yes to join this global mission. They will be injected the COVID-19 virus as well as vaccines. Scientists will check them every day. They might be getting ill and some may die in the process. This was the way how scientists found vaccines for malaria, cholera and dengue. These 30,000 people will become the real heroes in the COVID-19 pandemic. Our tribute will be with them. That's our short video and see you soon with the next one. Till that, subscribe to our Short Note YouTube channel. Ayubowan.